If you're looking to solve the problem of sweltering summer heat in large rooms where standard AC units fail to provide adequate cooling coverage, leaving you uncomfortable and running multiple units, this LG 14,000 BTU dual inverter window air conditioner efficiently cools spaces up to 700 square feet with ultra quiet operation as low as 44 decibels. Smart Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control temperature remotely via LG ThinQ app or voice commands through Alexa. The Energy Star certified inverter technology delivers up to 35% more energy savings while maintaining consistent comfort. Easy slide in-out chassis installs in double hung windows with included easy mount kit. Washable filter with clean alert maintains optimal air quality and performance.